Hey everyone! Welcome to Grade School Quiz Factory. Today's quiz is about the capitals of Asia, the largest and most diverse continent. Watch this video to find out and learn more. But first, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos. Ready? Let's go! Question number 1. What is the capital of South Korea? The correct answer is letter B. Seoul, the capital of South Korea, is often referred to as the Seoul of Asia due to its global influence in areas such as fashion, entertainment, and technology. Question number 2. What is the capital of Malaysia? The correct answer is letter A. Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia, is famous for its iconic Petronas Twin Towers, once the tallest buildings in the world. The towers are connected by a sky bridge, offering breathtaking views of the city. Question number 3. What is the capital of Vietnam? The correct answer is letter B. Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, is home to the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. This grand structure houses the preserved body of Ho Chi Minh, the revolutionary leader who played a crucial role in Vietnam's independence. Moving on to question 4. What is the capital of Indonesia? The correct answer is letter B. Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, is situated on the northwest coast of Java Island. It is known for its rich cultural heritage, bustling markets, and delectable street food. Question number 5. What is the capital of Thailand? The correct answer is letter D. Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, is famous for its ornate temples, vibrant street life, and delicious street food. Question number 6. What is the capital of Singapore? The correct answer is letter A. Singapore City, the capital of Singapore, is known for its impeccable cleanliness and efficiency. It is also famous for its stunning modern architecture and delicious street food. Question number 7. What is the capital of the Philippines? The correct answer is letter D. Manila, the capital of the Philippines, has a vibrant cultural scene and is home to several historical landmarks, such as the walled city of Intramuros and the San Agustin Church. Question number 8. What is the capital of Bangladesh? The correct answer is letter B. Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, is one of the most densely populated cities globally, with a vibrant mix of old and new architecture reflecting its rich history. Moving on to number 9. What is the capital of Iran? The correct answer is letter A. Tehran, the capital of Iran, is home to the Azadi Tower, a symbol of the country's independence and a popular landmark. It offers panoramic views of the city. And lastly, what is the capital of Israel? The correct answer is letter D. Jerusalem, the capital of Israel, is a city of great religious significance, revered by Christians, Jews, and Muslims alike. It houses important religious sites like the Western Wall and the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. That's it for today's quiz. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about the capitals of Asia. If you want to learn more about the world, check out other videos on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye.